Well, excuse me, elf. Excuse me, elf. My face and my skin looking scrumdiddlicious. Yum, yum, yum. You did that. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha. Welcome back. If you are new here, hello. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do mainly beauty videos, a bit of vlogging, a bit of lifestyle. We're going to be talking about and reviewing this gorgeous foundation that everybody has been raving about, and I was sucked in. Let's just carry on to the video. I've been seeing this everywhere and I was like, okay, I guess I need to get my hands on it. I'm gonna try it together. I do not want to put too much primer. The only thing I'm gonna use is bronzing drops from Makeup Revolution because I just want to see how this foundation performs. It says that it's long lasting. We're gonna be the judge of that. It says it's a hydrating liquid foundation, delivers just the right amount of medium beautiful coverage and a satin finish. It is great for dry oily skin combination. Let's see the ingredients, because guys, we spoke about silicone versus, but I feel like this is a water foundation. I definitely think it is. Actually, it's a dimethyl concept. It's supposed to be silicone, so I think silicone foundation wears like longer the most. These new bronzing drops from Makeup Revolution. We're just gonna do the rest of our base together. This is in Tan Deep. You could wear this with lashes and you can go out. Oh yeah, I just love that. Got in 61 Rich Cool. I shouldn't have gone 61 Rich Cool. It does look like my shade from the bottle, but let's see how it is. It looks like this. It might, let's see. Okay, wait, hold up. So it's got no smell. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it just gives me, it's, I would say it's slightly darker, but not too much. I don't mind it though, because the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. I'm using a review technique brush. It's the Snatch and Sculpt contour brush, but I like to use it because I like how flat it is. I like to use it for my foundation. This foundation is nice. Definitely get a warmer because I'm not really into cool foundation. I'm going to show you how you can balance a dark foundation or a light foundation. So I don't really get upset if my foundation is dark. Well, there's levels to this. If it's too dark, if it's too light, I can off balance it. So okay, I love the way it's looking on my skin. As you can see, it's dark. Look at my chest. It is my neck. I've got a dark neck because after I gave birth to my son, it was jet black. The curve case in the shade Deep. I like to contour before I conceal. Do that. Oh my gosh, I don't like to use it. This foundation is really pretty, guys. I'm gonna use the pink as a blush shade. The e.l.f. concealer 16-hour camo. Why not just pair the e.l.f. products together? So this is how you're going to balance. If your foundation is just too dark for your skin tone, you're gonna balance it with a lighter warm concealer. So that's how you're gonna balance it. It's gonna blend that together. I like to go in with my powder puff. Makeup Revolution powder puff because it is just so smooth. So blurring, but it's a gorgeous foundation. Hydrating mist from Elizabeth Ada. And I'm gonna be using from the Fine palette one of this shimmery gorgeous eyeshadow. We're using MAC Fix It to fix up my makeup. Yes, I gave Makeup Revolution a little break. Okay. Final verdict on Miss Elf Soft Glam Foundation. Impressed. It's gorgeous, and it's actually looking like it's my shade. Do you see the balance? I absolutely love it. I love it. I'm definitely gonna get a warmer shade. It's so light on the skin, so perfect for summer. You can build it up. I only used one layer. I didn't even go on so many. I didn't put on more. I love it. You guys, if you don't have this in your kit, plus it's silicone based, which means it's gonna last long, but just make sure you do a lot of skincare right after. Don't go to sleep in this because it's gonna clog your pores, okay? But they did say don't clog your pores. They knew what they were talking about. But I love this, guys. Let me know your thoughts below. Have you tried this foundation? And what were your thoughts? I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.